Hi everyone, this is Sandy Reese with Stampacrew.com. I'm an independent Stampin' Up! Demonstrator. Thanks for joining me today. Today is the last day I'm going to be featuring the He's All That stamp set, the dies. I'm not actually using the dies today, but starting in our new catalog next month, the bundle price is not going to be available. These will be sold separately. So if you purchase them this month, they're 10% off the bundle. Next month, no savings. I'm also using the designer paper. Now I know the designer paper is sold out, but if you have it, this is a great way to use it up. If you don't have it, you can use any other type of designer paper for this layout. So today we are going to make a gift card holder, or it could be a card, or it could be a 3D packet holder, whatever you want to do. So I'm using this pattern. I call it the barbecue pattern, and it goes in all different directions. So you can see the flames are up and down, the flames are sideways, all the utensils are all different ways, and the cows and the pigs. Now I chose this way because most of my cows are going in one direction, or I can flip it this way. It doesn't really matter. This pattern's kind of all over the place. So this piece of designer paper is 12 inches wide by 5 1/4 inches high. And then I've scored it at 4 and 8 inches. So I have 3 4-inch panels. All right, so next we're gonna do a little bit of trimming. So I'm gonna bring in my paper trimmer, and I'm going to trim my outside 2 panels from the top at the score line down to this bottom point. So I can actually see a little bit better on this side where my score lines are. So we're going to go to the bottom corner here, up to my score line right there. All right, and we're going to trim that off. And then we're going to do the same thing on the other side. So we're going to get right to the score line and down to the bottom tip. Okay, where am I have a glare. It's hard to see. Okay. All right, that is it. Super easy to do. And this is very simple. Now all we're going to do is bring in the scored pieces and then adhere them. Now some people, make this a little bit longer and they have a tab that they fold in and this sticks to the tab, but you don't really have to do that. You can just make it as is, and you just make your, just like this. And this is going to overlap a little bit. I'm going to put just a little bit where it overlaps. All right, we'll give that just a second to set. And then I'm going to put this on a 1/4 sheet of the Cajun Craze just to give it a little extra stability. But you don't have to. You don't have to. I'm looking for my adhesive here. That's what I need. All right. I mean, how quick and easy was that? And then you could use these on another card. Make a little pocket or something. Okay, now I have a piece of black. I may need to cut this down just a little bit. Slides in. I'm actually going to cut it, I think, just maybe a teeny bit more. So what is this? This is right now it's 5. I'm going to do it at 4 3/4, I think. 4 3/4 by, what's the width? 3 3/4. Okay, so 4 3/4 by 3 3/4. This is going to go inside. Perfect. And then I have a piece of white that's 3 1/2. And I cut a little bit longer. I have a 2-inch pocket to go up. And that's what's going to hold my gift card. But I want it to fit right on here, so I need to cut down just a 1/4 inch. Let me just cut a 1/4 inch off this end. And I will post these measurements on my blog. So this piece is 6.5 by 3.5. And with that folded up, it fits right on my piece of black. Let me crease that. All right, now you could, if you want, glue your pocket down, but you don't have to with this design, because when we slide the pocket in, it's going to hold it in place. Okay, let me get my sample gift card out. And this way also, you can fit this in. There's not really enough room if you want to put it in like this to seal those sides. You would have to put it in like that, and I don't want that showing. So I'm going to put it all the way down in there. It's still peeking out a little bit. And then I'm going to stamp my sentiment right here. And I'm going to do this one. We have Father's Day coming up, so I'm going to do wishing you a happy Father's Day. I'm going to stamp it here first to make sure it's going to be straight, because I usually say stamp and then glue, and I didn't do that. So I'm playing with fire. All right, living dangerously. Perfect. Isn't that cute? Now we get to decorate. All right, I love it. Okay, I'm using a couple pieces. I have literally 2 bags. I have a bag of all my big pieces left. I can't even tell you how many packs of this stuff I bought. And then I have a pack of little pieces. I'm going to be using these for a while. So because this is my barbecue paper, I'm going to do You're Flippin' Awesome. And we have this one that says You're Stronger Than You Know. Now, I don't know that I am going to use that on anything. So I'm going to glue it behind here so I get these fun little flags coming out. Because I don't know, I just don't know that I need to send that to anyone. And I'm going to put this right here, just right about where this fills in, that angle. And do I want to pop it up? I think I do. Dimensionals. I'm going to use my small ones because I'm going to hopefully those won't stick to the inside of my card if I put them right there. And put them down just a little bit. Okay. Let's see. I can't see what I'm doing. Oh, my head's not in the way. Okay. Is that sticking? No, that's perfect. Okay. Then I've got this fun, you know what? I'm going to actually put this down just a little bit because I want room for my arrow. Forgot I had that arrow. I'm just going to cover a little bit. And then I'm going to put this fun arrow. It can go any direction, but I think I'm going to put it maybe, I don't know. Do I need the arrow? That is the question. Not really. I've decided, you know, sometimes you just got to edit yourself. And I think I don't need the arrow. So I'm just going to go with this. I mean, how cool is that? So easy to do. Now, if you want to embellish something, I'm going to put a little teeny dot right in the middle of my crossed utensils, right like that. And that is it. So quick and easy. This is perfect. You could do this for Mother's Day with feminine paper and then do a big flower here and then do Happy Mother's Day. You could, if you have something, a seasoning packet or you know, like grill seasoning, or I don't know, make up a grill seasoning packet and stick it in there. You could do that. I think a fun gift card to the steakhouse would be perfect for Father's Day. You could put that in there. or, you know, if you like to get grilling paraphernalia, you could give one to the Home Depot or Lowe's, a gift card, because they sell all kinds of grill stuff there. Or if you have a grill store. In our town, we don't have a grill store. We are not big enough, but they do have one down in Little Rock, which is very nice. We've been to. So anyway, I hope you enjoyed today's project. Just remember, if you place an order by Friday, $35 before tax and shipping, I'm going to send you a whole kit of the 6 cards we did in card class last Thursday. If you spend $50 or more before tax and shipping, I'm also going to send you a pack of these great rustic metallic adhesive back dots. So I hope you enjoyed this, and I will see you next time. All right, bye-bye everyone.